Hey summoners, want to play League of Legends without anyone knowing you are online? In this guide, I will show you how to appear offline step by step. Let's dive in. First of all, League of Legends doesn't have a built-in appear offline mode, but you can use a workaround to achieve this. It involves disconnecting the client from Riot's chat servers. There are third-party tools like Deceive that let you appear offline by blocking the chat service. Download it from a trusted source like GitHub and run it before starting your League of Legends client. After that, if you'd rather not use third-party tools, you can um, manually block chat servers. Here's how. Open command prompt as administrator, then type this and press enter. This blocks Riot's chat servers, making you appear offline. Now, launch League of Legends and check your friend list. You should now appear offline. If you ever want to reconnect, remove the rule by typing this, and that's it. Now, you can enjoy your games without interruptions. If this guide helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more League of Legends tips. Thanks for watching.